everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori, and why do we look like this? Well, we got a lot to do. So anyhow, Sassy just got done finishing the skincare on my face, so it feels absolutely amazing. That mask, that detox is so like gets in there that my skin feels really, really soft. And like she said, like the bottom of a baby's, baby's bottom. Yes, it does. Anyhow, in order to get through this video, I am going to have to put my glasses on. Some of you can see the little ear of the Choco Taco who's up here. But I have my Boxycharms. So with that in mind, let's get to opening. The first one is my base box, because I wanted to show you guys the base first and then we'll go with the premium. The premium is the box that is really, really heavy. As for why it's heavy, we're going to find out. You guys know you always get a little card inside, lets you know on the back all the items that you get in your box, and it also gives you a description as well as the retail price, what that item is worth. That's not what you pay for when you subscribe to Boxy. So you're getting all of this for that low price. And I know, yes, I get it, that Boxy and IPSY raised their prices. IPSY not so much, but Boxy did. It just kind of, if you can afford it, fantastic. If you can't, I understand. So let's get on with this. Let's see what I got different from Sass. All right, the first one is by Item Beauty, and I see it right there. This is the In the Element eyeshadow palette. You guys remember this? You probably do, because I've gotten this before. And you know what? I don't even think I ever opened it. It's somewhere around here. Or maybe I have, but I don't remember this. I know it is very shiny. Ooh, got a lot of flaking going on in here. A lot of the eyeshadows flaked. So my apologies. And it is kind of hard to see. They are fall colors. I will say that. A lot of fall colors. But this one here, you can see it, this one here, and this one and this one, because they're like they're not a shimmer, and they're not a chunky either, but they do have a lot of flakes in them. And that's just because it's poorly packed. And for $24, that's not too bad. And then we have, is it Somi Institute? And that is this right here. We've received these in the past. It's probably the one I chose. Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads for $65. And I do have these. So this is something that I have either received or given away. And inside, hopefully it's sealed. It is. And the reason for that is because there's a lot of fluid in there to keep those pads nice and moist. And then the next one is by TYNT Skin, and this is the Reveal Ultra Hydrating Cucumber Melon Gel Mask. This is what Sassy is gonna have a ball with, and I want her to try this because anything having to do with skincare, I hand it over to her and I tell her, girl, do a number on this face. So this is it right here. It comes in a nice little tube. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like that. This sounds absolutely amazing, you guys. I'm excited over that one. And for $28, that is absolutely not bad at all. And then we have the Luna Magic. You guys know about this one. And that's the Mango and Cherry. That was the hydrating lip balm. So that was a duplicate that we got. And then the Ciate London as well. Lip liner. Did she get this? I don't think so. I think the only thing we got duplicate in that box was the Luna Magic, was the lip, hydrating lip. No, she got this. This was the lip liner. This is Cocoa. So It's the duplicate of what she got and what I got. So for $18, that little lip liner. And what is total of the box right there? I wonder who won. I'm guessing her. Oh no, wait a minute, because her premium, she got that $125 roller. Okay. All right, you guys. It doesn't matter who won or who lost. What matters is what goes in the giveaway. All right, you guys. I'm going to guess sometime probably at the end of this week, we will do a giveaway. I'm not sure if it will run on Friday or if it will be announced on Saturday, but a video will be coming up. A new giveaway is going to be announced. I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to Sassy and let her put a little bundle together, and you guys be watching, okay? So if I have time to post it on Friday, I will. If not, you guys will see it on Saturday. So I just want to say thank you so much, everybody. Let me know what your favorite item was down in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. It's good to be back. I am not 100% yet. All these guys up here in the boardroom, they're still feeling the same way I do, but we are glad to be back in front of the camera again. My hopes are to get this room a little bit more organized. There is still a lot of items and products on the floor. So behind me is where I really do want to film. That is my filming area. I still have to get it a little bit more organized, and then I'll be able to get off this bed from filming. But you know what? It's not that bad. It's actually more comfortable than the chair. Well, considering my hips. So, all right, you guys, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.